Welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation LTEC. This is Gulam Sarwar Shuman. You are watching me in my video on LTEC YouTube channel. My dear guys, everybody you have smartphone nowadays. I think every single guy has a smartphone because this is a fashion nowadays. But you can make it as a passion, as a learning part. How? You have a dictionary apps in your mobile phone. When you will get a new word, please search the word on your own mother tongue. What is the meaning of that word? If you get the word from your dictionary, if you get the word from your book, if you get the word from your newspaper, if you get the sound from anyone's speech, you can just find out in your own dictionary app in your mobile phone. So don't use smartphone as a bad thing, as an evil thing, or only hearing a music, only feeling a very good story, or only just watching a movie. Just try to use smartphone to learn much more dictionary or vocabulary. So thank you very much. This is the end of this video. Please like this video and try to share this video to your everyone so that they can learn this kind of tips.